Hello and welcome. Today we're going to stabilize a video in Shotcut. We're going to start by dragging the video into the source view. We're going to enable the timeline and the filters. And now we're just going to hide the toolbar, so we have a little more space, and also the title bars, so a little more space, even more. Alright, we're going to drag the video to the timeline down here, and here we have it. We're going to make sure it is selected, and then we're going to press the plus button in the filter tab, and we're going to click the video icon down here, the monitor. We're going to scroll down, it's alphabetical, so go to S, ST, Stabilize. Alright. Here we have some default settings. We can resize this to see better. Let's zoom in a little to see the track better. So let's take a look at the video. It is quite, it's not extremely shaky. That's nice. A bit shaky though. And we're gonna make it less shaky. So, to have this filter actually work, we have to press the Analyze button once we're done with the settings. For now, we're gonna leave it at the default. So just press Analyze, and it will prompt you to save a .stab file. So put the stab somewhere, bike. It'll automatically add the ending, I think. And then we have this view where it just shows us the progress of the stabilization, and it's done. Alright, it should be applied immediately, so let's try it out. Yeah, this is better. What if we change the settings? If we increase the smoothing, it will zoom in more, which is acceptable, since we have quite some space around it, and we want to focus on the guy on the bike. Let's just smooth it to 100%. We can control the zoom, actually. Well, this is a bit of a strange look, but we could zoom out, and then I think the border would be cut off. Or we can zoom in to make sure nothing like that happens, but let's just leave the zoom at 0. Accuracy, let's increase this to maximum. So this one, the first analysis took 9 seconds for a 10 seconds video. Maybe this is going to be taking a minute or 10. We're going to see. Shakiness, let's just max it up. Let's just see what happens with these settings. And press Analyze. And we're going to just save it as bike max. Alright, analysis is starting. Looks like it's gonna only take 10 seconds as well. 9 seconds again. Well, that's nice. Alright, what happens if we play this back? I'm not sure I could tell the difference. Let's just save a file. Bike max is this one. We're just gonna open the .mlt file in Notepad++, and we're gonna look for the .stab file. Here it is, bike max. So, alright. Yeah, so this way we can make sure that the bike max is actually used. And if we want, we can change this to bike instead of bike max, and save a copy. Bike default. And now we're just gonna export this video. This is the max settings. Bike max.mp4. We're gonna wait for this to finish. Here it is. Now we're gonna drag in bike default and render that one as well. Here we go. Strange, rendering time was exactly the same again. But if you look at the files, we can see slight difference in the file size at least. So there needs to be some difference. So if we take a look at the original, it is quite noticeably shaky. If we take a look at the default version, we can see definitely this is much less shaky. And if we look at the max version, I would claim there's not much difference to bike default. But of course you can play around with the settings and make up your own mind if there's a difference or not. But this is how easy it can be to stabilize a video in Shotcut. Hope this helps. Please subscribe to support this channel and I will see you next time. Until then, ciao!